Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Starlink showing offline. If Starlink is offline, it means your system is not connected to the internet right now. But don't worry, this is usually easy to fix. First, check the Starlink app on your phone. Open the app and see what message it shows. Sometimes it will say searching offline or no signal. This helps you to know where the problem is. Next, restart your Starlink router. Unplug the router from the power. Wait 1 full minute. Then plug it back in. Now wait for 5 minutes for the system to reconnect. This step alone fixes most offline issues. If that, check the Starlink dish outside. Make sure it has a clear view of sky. Remove anything blocking it like trees, buildings or snow. Starlink needs open sky to work properly. Now check all cables. Look at the cable going from the dish to the router. Make sure it pushes in tight and not damaged. Loose cable can cause Starlink to go offline. If Starlink is still offline, restart your phone, turn it off, wait for 10 seconds and turn back in. Then reconnect your Starlink Wi-Fi. As a last step, you can restart the router, unplug and plug the router 6 times quickly. This resets the Wi-Fi, so you will need to set it up again. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.